if you need any more proof that Live Good is the #1 fastest growing network marketing opportunity right now in the world, look at this. You can see I joined on the 13th of April and 45,465 members have joined after me. 45,465 in the space of 9 days. That is incredible. So if you've not pre-registered, taken the tour, then you really need to get your finger out and do exactly that. You can come on over, the link is down in the description, but let me just quickly show you. It is livegood.com, Nick Wood, there we go, and that will take you, you've got the amazing video to watch there which tells you all about it, so just watch that. That's the founder, and then you just pop in your first name, your last name, your email address, and reserve your position, because once you've reserved your position, that's it, you're nailed in. So, and then all you need to do is subscribe or confirm you're joining before midnight Eastern time on Thursday. So you can do it now, you can do it over the weekend, and you can just lock yourself in. You will be guaranteed to be in that position when you then confirm. If you don't confirm, then you'll just go, you'll still be pre-registered, but everyone that confirmed after you, so last week 45,000 people, will be above you in the power line. Go check it out. If you do nothing else, just do jump in and reserve your position today. You have nothing to lose, everything to gain. So go do that now. Now, for you guys that have confirmed that, that's great. Go do that. But one of the things we want to look at, so you've got all these little things here. You've got your home. This is where you've got your shop now. We can actually buy the products. We're going to do another video talking about the different products, what you've got there. You can also see where people are in your matrix. And also we've got the different corporate sites. So you've got the livegood.Nick Wood, that's where we are now. The shop, where people can go buy the goods and then you get commissions. That's just a straight affiliate. And you've got the Powerline landing page, the Live Good tour, where people can pre-register, as we just saw. Now, once you are in, there's something that we need to do. Now, I am in the UK. You might be able to tell from my English accent, but we want to make sure we're going to get paid. So we go to my earnings and we want to select our payment option. So we've got different things. We've got transfer to commission wallet, view PayPal description, view rank, but let's go in here. Okay, so what country do you live in? I'm in the United Kingdom. So these are the options I have. I can either go global wallet powered by iPayout or cryptocurrency. I would rather go with the payment option of global wallet, I think. That way I've got bank transfer, wire transfer, prepaid card and or Bitcoin. So let me go here. So do we need to do that first? Let's say submit. Let's not done this yet. You must select one of the following options you receive. Cool. Okay, so let's go global wallet and save that. And it says we will send you an invitation to join iPayout when you have a pending commission. So that is all you have to do. How cool is that? So once the commission is coming in, they'll send me an invitation to join iPayout, and then we can just pay, and no problem at all. We need $1 worth of commission. That's all. So there you go. So if you've not joined up yet, if you've not joined the pre-tour, for goodness sake, go do that first of all. Then when you're signed up and you're happy, go and make sure you pick out how you want to get paid. If you're in the States, you could just have a wire transfer, I think. But yeah, us outside of the States, we can have iPayout or cryptocurrency with BitPay. That may be good for people all over the world, but there you go. Okay, that said, stay tuned, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and actually hit the notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time that I do another video, particularly with Live Good, because you want to know exactly how to grow your network, how to be successful. Take care.